Hey, and thank you so much for joining me here at Tesla Northwest and EVs. What am I up to? I'm gonna get a touch-free car wash. It's the first time I've ever tried car wash mode out in my Tesla, so why don't you join me? Let's test it out together and see how it works, what you gotta do, and what the end result is. So I'll catch you on the flip side, and I appreciate you joining me. Thanks again, and hit that like and subscribe if you enjoy this content. All right, and here is Amos in all his dirty glory, ready to go in and get a wash. So we've had terrible weather here for the last 3 weeks, nothing but winter, and I have not had a chance to get the car washed. So we are going to head in there and see how car wash mode works. Thanks again, and sorry about the noise. All right, folks, I'm going to bring you through this with me from start to finish. So, number one, I always hand wash the car, but in this instance, we can use a no-contact touch-free. That won't be so bad. We are going to do the kitchen sink wash, so we'll pull up here and get everything. So yes, you are going to get the pretty colors.
Would you like to save money and keep your car? If you have a coupon, wash ticket, or prepaid card, scan it on the barcode reader now.
You got it.
Please pay with either credit card or cash. If you have a coupon, wash ticket.
Okay, getting scanned. My credit card is processing.
Would you like a receipt?
And no thank you.
Thank you for your business.
Okay,
we
are going
to seeing you again soon.
Pull up and we're going to get set up here. So we're going to drive up here and get queued up. All right, I'm going to stop right here for 1 minute, just 1 second. I'm going to set up for car wash mode. So I click car wash mode, enter car wash mode, and I'm going to go fold my mirrors in. And now I'm going to roll forward. And to put it in free roll, I'm going to have to hold the brake and shift for a few seconds until she tells me. So I'll get lined up here until she tells me to stop. Good, good. Okay, and now what I'll do is I'll hold the brake, enable free roll, I'll click that. I know I'm good. And now the car is ready to go. So we have free roll enabled. That means that we're on a conveyor and the conveyor will take us forward. Car wash mode has us speed below 10 miles an hour. Charge port locked, walk away door locks are off, the charge port won't open, etc., etc. And then I had the mirrors folded in. So, as you can see, the vehicle will remain in neutral and free rolling. I am not touching any of the pedals nor the wheel. We're just going to let this go through, and it says it's touch-free. It better be touch-free. Otherwise, I'm probably going to have a few swirls, and it doesn't look like it's completely touch-free. So you know what, folks? We'll take a look and see what it looks like afterwards. I thought this was a touch-free car wash, and that's my bad. I just hope it doesn't get all swirled. Ah, beautiful. Oh, that's not so bad. Those are like chamois. They're not the horrible brushes like the old car washes were. If anybody remembers those car washes at the Shell station, those would just tear up paint. All right, where's all my pretty colors at? I paid for the pretty colors. I want to see them. Oh, yay! There's our moment of zen. Alright, so far so good. And remember, we found car wash mode in the service screen option. Note to self, I'm not going to come back through this car wash again because it's not a true touch-free car wash. That's my dumbass fault for not checking. But you know, hey, the things I do for science. or at least for entertainment. So far so good, nothing's open that doesn't need to. Can you imagine if the charge port opened in here, get torn off? Have the windshield wipers going the whole time. And we've even got money for a tip. Aren't we nice? So now we'll just let the conveyor finish. It should spit us out the other side, and then I can turn off car wash mode. Ooh, that's loud. Sounds cool though. Well, I just got done playing with track mode on the way here, so you can check that video out if you want. Hopefully it's not a complete mess. We didn't hit anything, that was what was important. Alright, so it should be, there we go. Now we should be out, and now we can shift into drive, pull forward, and we're not going to exit yet. Here you go. I know you didn't do anything, but take it anyway. Good. And there you go, folks. So she's not going to dry the car off, so we're just going to stop right up here. We're going to see what kind of job the car wash did, and then we're going to boogie on out of here. So thank you so much for joining me. We'll stop right here. We'll put it in park. And then all we do is click unfold mirrors, because we want our mirrors back out. And then we're going to click exit car wash mode. And it's that easy, folks. So let's hop out, take a look and see what kind of job it did, and make sure there's not any giant swirls in the paint. All right. All right, and there she is, folks. All done with her bath, or with his bath. I guess it's a boy, right, Amos? And looking pretty good. I don't see any swirls in the paint or issues with it not being a true touch-free car wash. So overall, pretty happy with the job that was done. Sorry about the noise. I'm in a bit of an industrial area. And just thanks for joining me. If you like this kind of content, well, I just love it if you'd hit that like and subscribe and join me for some more videos. We're always having fun. So I'll catch you on the flip side, and have a wonderful, wonderful day.